Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Thursday, December 10th, 2020. Today is Think About It Thursday. Winning doesn't always mean being first. Winning means you're doing better than you've done before. So today, be a winner by being better. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Today for breakfast, we have sausage biscuit. For lunch, we have barbecue fajita on a bun or a wrap. Tomorrow for breakfast, we have cereal, and for lunch, chicken tenders or nuggets. Today's only birthday is Miss Washam, our third grade teacher. So, Miss Washam's class, I hope you are extra sweet to her today and on your best behavior to give her the best birthday yet. Happy birthday, Miss Washam. Also today we have picture day for students going to be in uniform. Those are going to take place in the gym, and you have a schedule that was emailed to you yesterday. Tomorrow, everyone who brought a toy can wear your Christmas shirt and some jeans. That's going to be a great way to end the week. And next Friday, December 18th, is Feel Good Friday. We're going to have class celebrations at 1:30, and it's going to be Pajama Day. A couple of reminders. Make sure that the books the students request are on or close to the level, and students do not need to request new books until the ones they have checked out have been read, tested on, and returned to the library. Teachers, we are also working on getting those AR goals set. Make sure students know their reading levels and that they know what their goal is for the quarter so we can reach those goals. I have a few shout outs. We have a shout out to Miss White. She was given a shout out by Miss Farrell. She goes above and beyond for her students. She has met with one of our EL families on holidays and is always available after hours to help them. She stays in contact with our Chinese speaking interpreter to make sure that the lines of communication stay open. Shout out to Miss White for going above and beyond. Thank you, Miss White. Next, I have a shout out to Sophia Oliver. She is recognized by her teacher, Miss Bauer. I would like to send a shout out to Sophia Oliver in my class. She can always be caught doing the right thing. She works hard every day with a smile on her face. She showed tremendous growth in our Ready. Great job, Sophia. Keep working hard. Awesome job, Sophia. That's all for today's news. Have a thankful Thursday, Kate Shepherd.